Tamarillo, otherwise known as the tree tomato, is native to South America, but really easy to grow here in Western Australia. Today I'm going to show you how to turn the very humble rice pudding into something a bit more decadent and delicious using the natural sweetness from this fruit. So I'm going to grab these tamarillos and slice them up. And we're going to place them into the baking dish, the cut side up, because we want them to really hold the shape and caramelize quite nicely and hold all that sweetness inside. To top with, we have some brown sugar and cinnamon. I'm just sprinkling this on top. And we're going to place that into an oven at 200 degrees for about half an hour to caramelize and slowly cook through. So whilst the tamarillos are roasting away, we're going to work on our very humble rice pudding. I have some short grain rice, which I'm going to rinse under some cold water until it runs clear. Once I've rinsed off all the rice, I'm going to place that into my pan. Into that goes some full cream milk. And next goes in some orange zest. Next up, I have a vanilla bean pod, which I'm just going to scrape the seeds out of. Now I'm adding the seeds in, but I'm also going to add the pod in just to take as much of that vanilla flavour out. And lastly, some caster sugar. I'm going to turn the heat up high, then bring it down to a gentle simmer whilst I'm stirring consistently for about half an hour and become nice and smooth and creamy. Alright, so my rice pudding is cooked, it's nice and creamy, it's at the consistency I'm looking for. But just to make it that little bit more rich, I'm going to add in a bit of double cream. And I reckon our tamarillos will be cooked as well, and we can bring this whole dish together. So these tamarillos are looking great, they're nice and caramelized, but holding all that moisture and juiciness. So I reckon we're ready to plate up. I have a generous amount of this rice pudding, and to top, a few pieces of those caramelized tamarillos. I'm going to drizzle over a bit of that caramel from the pan. And to finish, for a bit of texture, I have some roasted almonds. And there you have it, guys, my rice pudding with roasted tamarillo and cinnamon.